Hey everyone, this is our week 4 project, our final project of the summer, and it includes some instructions and some code hints. This week's project is more open-ended than the others that we have done, and because of that, you're going to get some more vague help this time. It is impossible for me to cover all of the possibilities of your imaginations in code or construction videos. So I'm going to give you some basic help about the servo motor, and then really I'm going to be available by email or on our Thursday chat to solve any problems you may be having getting your device built. Having said that, here is the project criteria for this week. You need to build a device that is interactive. That means a person or people will activate it. You need to make your device safe to use. And your device needs to include motion, light, and possibly sound. You are going to create a program in MakeCode. That's a criteria because I really don't have the ability to coach you in any other coding language or platform that will support a microbit. And this code is going to operate your device as you intend, and you are going to be able to turn your device on or off as needed. Now, when I say device, what do I mean? Well, it can really be anything you want. You are limited by the criteria on the previous slide and by the contents of your box that you picked up, plus whatever other materials you can scrounge up. And of course, you are limited by your imagination. I will give you a suggestion based on the most popular project from Tech 1 class last year, and that is a dispenser. A dispenser is a device that gives out a portion of something when the device is activated. So an example, probably the best known example is a vending machine. The vending machines at school are dispensers. When they are activated, when you put money in and push a button to select an item, it dispenses the item. It gives it out in an area where you can pick it up with your hand. When you design a dispenser, this is what you need to keep in mind. What is it going to dispense? How is it going to be activated? And how is the person using the dispenser going to get their stuff? Now, what did people dispense? Well, I've had students build dispensers that dispense pet food for their pets. I've had them build cookie dispensers. I've had them build Skittles dispenser. One student built a birdseed dispenser that was on a timer that they built in the code. You are really limited, like I said, by your imagination. I will say you are also limited by the servo motor's strength. It is a small motor. So for instance, if you wanted to dispense bowling balls or bricks, the motor's probably not going to do that. You don't want to do a dispenser. What are some other ideas? Again, what can you think of that would include lights and motion? Other students in my class last year have built pieces of art that include light, sound, and motion. Other devices are devices that keep people safe in the dark. And remember, you do have that photocell resistor, that light sensor. So a device that people can wear, for instance, that includes motion and lights. I've had people build these in the dark safety devices inside of hats or in a sweatshirt. People have built them so that they sit on a table in a dark room and warn people of the sharp corners of the table. So in the next couple of videos, I'm going to mainly provide code help for the servo motor. After that, I'm really relying on you to come up with a device. Of course, if you need help, you can always email me. If you would like to just email me your idea, I can give you feedback on whether that idea meets the criteria or whether that idea is possible with the materials that you've been provided. I can also help you with code or design ideas. If you want to do a sketch either in a digital drawing platform or on paper and send me a picture, I would enjoy seeing those and I can give you feedback. The other thing you can share with me are screenshots of your code blocks, and if you're having problems in particular, and I can help you troubleshoot. One more thing. As this is the last week, we are asking that you please return your materials to the Grab and Go lunch pickup at LaVenture. Now, I want to emphasize this is when you are done. You are free to use these materials for more than just the 4 projects that we've done. Again, use your imagination and have fun being a programmer and a maker, being a computer scientist. But when you have decided, I'm done with this stuff, please return it to the Grab and Go lunch pickup at LaVenture. I hope this was fun for you, and maybe that you even learned a couple of things. Have a great rest of the summer.